gigantic information spill has uncovered the staff records of many representatives at Jaguar Land Rover's manufacturing plant in Solihull, England. The records uncover subtle elements, for example, wiped out days utilized, disciplinary issues and, most quite, red lines demonstrating potential firings in the weeks or months ahead. Altogether, the individual records of in excess of 600 specialists were discharged. JLR is scrambling to contain the emergency. The break was first announced by the Huffington Post UK, with the automaker at first asserting the story was phony news. That exposure gap positively didn't improve the situation, particularly for representatives gazing at their name with a red line sliced crosswise over it. A month ago, the British automaker had said it would wipe out around 1,000 workers at plants in the UK. The Solihull plant, which produces models like the Range Rover Sport, Jaguar F-Pace and Jaguars, was among those specified in the announcement. JLR, which is claimed by the Indian combination Tata Motors, is confronting a precarious drop in deals, especially in its home market. The principal guilty parties incorporate an enormous drop in offers of diesel-controlled vehicles, an indispensable piece of JLR's business in the UK. Furthermore, all through Europe, alongside fears about how the up-and-coming Brexit will influence business tasks. In the HuffPost UK story, one specialist called the circumstance disturbing and humiliating, including that individuals at the industrial facility currently know whether they, or their partners, are soon due to lose their activity.